Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how do you send money from your Skrill account to your Neteller account. So let's get into this video. So what I have to do is firstly log into your Skrill account if you haven't done so. So once I've logged into your Skrill account, so I just logged into mine and this is my dashboard. Okay, so once you've logged in, what you have to do is on your left here, left side here, so you will see an option called withdrawal, the third option. So click on withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal here, you will see three options here. Just before I move forward, please make sure that your account is verified, because your account needs to be verified. Your Skrill account needs to be verified before you can do this withdrawal process. If you need help with verifying your Skrill account, and we got a separate video on our channel, you can you can check into it if you need help with it. So yep, so in this video I assume that you have verified your Skrill account. So once you have verified your Skrill account, you'll see these options here to withdraw. On withdraw, so what you have to do here, you got to click the Neteller option here. So net for to send money to your Neteller, so click on this option here, right? Neteller option. So here, okay, so what happens is, so here what you have to do is you got to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So just type the amount that you're going to withdraw here. Okay, so just type that, and once you've typed that, what you have to do is here under recipient address, that's where you enter the email address of the Neteller account holder. It could be whether it's your account, your Neteller account, or your someone else Neteller account. So you just have to enter the email ID of that account. All right, so once you have entered that email ID, so in this video I'm not going to do any transactions to any Neteller account. So I'm just going to show you, but I'm not really going to transfer any. So once you have enter the email address, all you have to do is click on next. Then once you click on next, then it's going to ask you for some confirmation, and also for an for a password, just to verify the transactions, like how we do for any net banking transactions. So once you have typed in the password and everything, then that's it. It will be your funds will be sent to your Neteller account, or whoever the account is. All right, so that's pretty much how it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.